4 alligators here. They're trying to attack birds. This one looks like to be a little baby one.
He's our neighbor, baby.
See, look, that's where his tail ends. See how little he is?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I want Steve Irwin here.
Like, that seems like that's small enough to where I could wrestle it. I could beat his ass, beat his butt.
So funny.
All right, let's go, baby. We're gonna be late.
Yeah, I know.
It kind of hurts.
Do it, babe.
You get it?
Yeah, do it again.
No, it's cutting me up. Did you get it?
Yeah, he beat your ass. Love you. Babe, look, there's your friend.
Whoa. That's not him?
There he is.
Here.
Now the best way to get this nice to come close enough for you guys to touch is just putting your hand nice and still in the water with your 2 fingers out and ready. That way when they swim by, you can reach out and gently pet them on the top of their wings. Remember not to pinch, poke, or grab them as they swim by. You only want to touch them with 2 fingers nice and gently on the top of their wings, not on their head, their back, or their tail.
This is the best one right here. Oh, here, look, baby. Oh, here he is. Here he comes. Take the picture.
I've got him.
Did you take it?
Yeah?
Oh, you're filming it?
Yeah.
Why not pictures?
What do you mean, why not? God damn it.
Are you ready to go? They're so cool.
Here he is. What, are you just waiting for him to come over to your fingers or something? That's really cool, baby.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Like it?
Yeah.